That sea monster fired its shells in the final action. HMS Rodney.
What if you could bring history to life? Not just in-game, but on your workbench. What does naval history, World of Warships, and scale modeling have in common? Welcome to Workbench Armada. Hey everyone, welcome to Workbench Armada, my journey back into scale modeling. After a long break, I'm reconnecting with this amazing hobby and I'm bringing along all of you to share the process. Right now, I'm working on HMS Rodney, a battleship that played a key role in taking down the legendary Bismarck during the World War II. Every stream, I take on a new challenge, building these incredible war machines and bringing them to life, one step at a time. From sanding to assembling to painting, it's all part of the fun. I'll be learning new techniques along the way and sharing everything with you. As a World of Warships player, it felt right to kick things off with a ship from the game. But it's not just about me deciding what to build next. You will have a say too. Throughout the series, I'll be hosting community votes, where you can help pick which ship or aircraft gets the spotlight. Whether it's a legendary battleship or a classic plane, your suggestions will shape the future of Workbench Armada. Join me every weekend and Monday as I dive into the world of scale modeling live on my Twitch channel. Whether I'm building the model or sharing quick tips, there's always something new to discover. I'll also be posting tutorials and quick tip videos on YouTube as I learn new tricks during stream. Follow me on Twitch for the live streams or subscribe to the YouTube channel for even more upcoming content. I hope you will join me as we explore naval history and creativity, and who knows, you might even pick up a new hobby along the way.